It's not poverty, it's being stuck. Waking up, dragging yourself to work, coming home exhausted, never having enough money, always stressed out, and living the same day on repeat. If you don't want your life to keep spinning in that endless loop, forget about those dreamy million-dollar promises social media keeps selling you. The only thing you should focus on right now is this: making your first $10,000. Trust me, it's the hardest money you'll ever earn. But once you hit it, everything changes. Because the first $10,000 isn't just about money. It's solid proof that you can create value, you can repeat the process, and you can build an entire future from zero. There are many ways to reach that milestone. You don't need to try them all. Just choose the one that fits you best. Option 1. Selling direct services. Think personal training, delivery, dog walking, nails, haircutting, videography. Simple? Yes. But that's exactly why it works. You get paid immediately, startup costs are low. The downside? Income is limited, tied to your location and the number of clients you can serve. It's fast, but hard to scale. Option 2. Selling local products. Homemade cakes, crafts, fresh produce, DIY goods. A great way to turn hobbies into income. But let's be real. It won't get you to $10,000 quickly. Small scale, low profit margins. Option 3. Selling global products. This is the bigger game. Dropshipping, print on demand, sneaker reselling, or building your own clothing brand. Advantage? Customers worldwide. Endless opportunities. Drawback? It's slow at first since profits need to be reinvested. But if you push through the cash flow trap, this can become a true passive income machine. Option 4. Selling online services. This is the ultimate weapon of the internet age. Content writing, video editing, thumbnail design, social media management, running ads, all doable with just a laptop and Wi-Fi. Global clients, 70 to 80% profit margins. And the best part? You can start today. If I had to pick the fastest path to $10,000, this would be it. But to really turn your skills into that first $10,000, you need 4 things. 1. Positioning. Pick services that help businesses make more money, because they'll happily pay more for ROI. 2. Leverage. Never charge by the hour, charge by value. If clients see clear returns, they'll pay premium rates. 3. Reach. Stop chasing clients. Build a portfolio and content that attracts them to you. 4. Automation. Be reliable, on time, and professional. That's what sets you apart, because 95% of freelancers fail simply by not keeping their discipline. Remember, your first $10,000 isn't the finish line. It's the turning point. It proves you can change your own destiny. It shifts the way you see money, from a burden into a tool. And most importantly, it gives you confidence. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Bigger, faster, stronger. Don't sit around waiting for the perfect opportunity. Pick one path, start with what you have, and commit to seeing it through. Because sometimes, the only thing standing between the person you are today and the successful version of yourself is that first $10,000.